Hey guys, we're back with another trade recap, and as you can see here on the lower chart, that's the 2 minute on the lower portion of the screen and the 1 minute on top. So we're going to start down here on the 2 minute. We had a pretty clean downtrend, as you can see, uh, in that trend channel. And you've heard us say it before, and we're going to say it again. When we have a breakout, a lot of time there's a very good possibility we're going to retest the lows, and that's what we did there. So if you want to put our entry on this, I should say, would have been right there on the 21, with a stop right above the 21, a strong close above, and the price target would have been at the base of the candle, not to the wick, but the base of the candle. So that's one of the reasons I like these trades so much, is because the likelihood of them working out is high, but also I don't know exactly what it is, what was profit loss on that,
Was
but yeah, a 1.25 point stop for about a 10 point, profit. So risk to reward, these are great trades. Uh, with that 21 being there as resistance, it's a really good area for a stop as well. What would you like to add to that?
well, a couple things. Even if you wanted to play this conservatively for a profit target here, given that we had support here before at this wick, right?
Mm-hmm.
You still had basically a 5-to-1 ratio, which was great. Or, you could trim part of your position here and let the rest of it ride down.
Yep.
The other
Exactly.
thing that is key here is you pointed out before, we have a 2 minute chart and then a 1 minute chart up top, and we rely on both heavily, because if you're looking at the 1 minute only and you happen to overlook that there was support turn resistance right here, this purple line, you may be looking at this candle thinking, "Oh wow, we're going long. Here we go," not realizing there's resistance there, and that's going up against the 21 on the 200. Both the combination of those two, which was enough resistance to turn this thing back around and go to the bottom. So it's worth keeping both of those in mind. And just to reiterate, like you said in the beginning of the video too, that typical textbook market structure is you get 3 pushes in a trend most often. So here's push 1, a little bit of a pullback, push 2, little bit of a pullback, push 3, trend breaks. And after a trend break, we typically see a retest of the trend bottom or trend top, depending on the direction.
But
Yep.
no, I think that's it. And we just want to point out the probability of these trades, and that's why we keep going over them. They're very high, and they're good trades to take, risk to reward, if you can catch them.
Sounds good.
Yep.